In the realm of bathroom renovations and design, frameless shower doors have surged in popularity, becoming a symbol of luxury and contemporary aesthetics. These sleek, minimalistic installations are not just a design choice, but a significant upgrade to the functionality and appeal of bathrooms. Frameless shower doors offer a sleek, modern look to bathrooms, enhancing space perception and design flexibility. Made of thick, tempered glass without bulky frames, they require professional installation, promise easier cleaning, and provide durability, but come at a higher cost than framed options. Understanding the intricacies of frameless shower doors can help homeowners make informed decisions when considering a bathroom makeover. This video looks into the benefits, considerations, and installation process of frameless shower doors, aiming to guide readers through their journey toward a more elegant bathroom. Frameless shower doors are precisely what their name suggests: shower doors without the bulky frames typical of traditional models. Made from tempered glass, these doors offer a clear, unobstructed view that enhances the overall spaciousness and brightness of the bathroom. Their seamless look integrates effortlessly with various design themes, from minimalist to luxury, making them a versatile choice for any homeowner. Aesthetic elegance. Frameless shower doors add a touch of sophistication and open up the bathroom space, making it appear larger and more inviting. Their clean, sleek lines contribute to a modern aesthetic that can complement any decor. Customization options. Unlike framed doors, frameless varieties offer extensive customization in terms of size, shape, and glass texture, allowing for a perfect fit and personalized design that meets the homeowner's unique preferences. Ease of cleaning. The absence of frames eliminates corners and crevices where water and soap scum can accumulate, making frameless doors easier to clean and maintain. Durability and safety. Made from tempered glass, frameless shower doors are designed to withstand impacts and are less likely to crack or shatter. Their durability ensures long-term use and safety for the entire household. While frameless shower doors offer numerous benefits, there are several factors to consider before proceeding with installation. Budget. Frameless shower doors typically come at a higher price point compared to framed options due to the thicker glass and specialized hardware required for installation. Professional installation. The precision needed for a perfect fit and the weight of the glass make professional installation a necessity. This ensures that the door operates smoothly and safely. Water leakage. Proper installation is crucial to prevent water from escaping the shower area. Consulting with experienced professionals can help mitigate this issue through the strategic placement of the doors and the use of seals and sweeps. The installation of frameless shower doors is a detailed process that requires precision and expertise. Understanding what to expect during the installation can help homeowners prepare for the project, ensuring a smoother transition to enjoying their new, stylish bathroom feature. Initial consultation and measurement. The first step involves a consultation with a professional installer or company specializing in frameless shower doors. During this consultation, the installer will assess your bathroom's layout, take precise measurements, and discuss your design preferences, including glass thickness, door style, and hardware finishes. This stage is crucial for ensuring that the final product will fit perfectly and meet your aesthetic expectations. Design and customization. Based on the initial consultation, the installer will provide design options tailored to your bathroom's specifications. This phase allows for customization in terms of glass type, clear, frosted, tinted, hardware finishes, chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, and door configuration, pivot, sliding. Once the design is finalized, the custom glass and hardware will be ordered. This part of the process can vary in time depending on the complexity of the design and the availability of materials. Preparation of the site. Before the installation can begin, the bathroom area needs to be prepared. This preparation might involve completing any necessary tile work, ensuring walls are plumb and floors are level, and making adjustments to support the weight and operation of the door. Proper preparation is key to a successful installation, as it ensures that the door will function correctly and safely. Installation day. On the day of installation, the team will arrive with the custom glass panels and hardware. The process typically involves setting up and securing the hardware, which includes hinges, handles, and support bars. carefully placing and aligning the glass panels in the designated area. This step requires precision to ensure that the door swings or slides smoothly and seals properly to prevent leaks. Installing and adjusting seals and sweeps to minimize water escape from the shower area. The installation process can take several hours, depending on the complexity of the design and the specifics of your bathroom layout. Final inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, the installer will perform a final inspection to ensure everything is properly aligned, secure, and functioning as intended. They will check for any leaks, make necessary adjustments, and explain how to use and maintain your new frameless shower door. The team will also clean up the installation area, removing any debris or materials used during the process. Post-installation care. The installer should provide you with care and maintenance instructions for your new frameless shower door. This includes recommendations on cleaning products and methods to maintain the clarity of the glass and prevent water spots and buildup. Some companies may also offer follow-up services or adjustments if needed. Installing frameless shower doors is a detailed process that transforms the look and functionality of your bathroom. By understanding what to expect during each stage, from the initial consultation to the final inspection, homeowners can effectively plan and prepare for the project. Choosing a reputable and experienced installer is crucial to ensuring a successful installation that enhances your bathroom's aesthetic appeal and usability for years to come. Frameless shower doors are more than just a trend. They are a transformative element that can elevate the look and functionality of any bathroom. Their sleek design, combined with practical benefits like ease of cleaning and customization options, make them an attractive choice for homeowners looking to update their space. By considering the necessary factors and opting for professional installation, you can ensure that your frameless shower door is a beautiful and enduring addition to your home.